Our story begins about 4.6 billion years ago. The solar system was young. Dust and gas orbited the newly formed sun. Gravity drew these particles together. They collided and stuck to each other. This process eventually created Earth. Early Earth was a hot, molten ball of rock with a very hostile environment. There were no oceans, no continents, and no atmosphere as we know it. Instead, volcanic eruptions spewed lava and gases into the sky. The gases formed a thick, toxic atmosphere around the young planet. This was no place for life as we know it. The constant bombardment from asteroids and comets added to the chaos. These impacts released even more heat and energy. The young Earth was a fiery and volatile world still finding its place in the solar system. It was a time of intense geological activity that laid the foundation for the planet we know today. In this video, let's dive in the story of first rain and how it shaped Earth and life. Imagine a world covered in volcanoes. Volcanic eruptions spewed gases into the atmosphere, creating a thick, suffocating blanket of carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia, and water vapor. This toxic mix made the air unbreathable and the surface scorching hot. These gases trapped heat from the sun. This created a greenhouse effect, making Earth extremely hot. No life could have survived in this inferno. The early Earth was a place of intense geological activity. Volcanic eruptions were not the only forces at play. Meteoroids and asteroids bombarded the planet's surface. These impacts left behind craters and further shaped the young Earth's landscape. This period of intense heat and volcanic activity played a crucial role in shaping the Earth's future. It led to the formation of the planet's core, mantle, and crust. The outgassing from volcanoes also contributed to the formation of Earth's early atmosphere. But where did the water come from? The answer lies in the icy bodies that roamed the early solar system comets. These celestial wanderers, composed of ice, dust, and organic compounds, played a crucial role in delivering water to our planet. As comets bombarded the Earth, they released vast amounts of water vapor into the atmosphere. These impacts were both destructive and transformative, contributing not only water but also essential organic compounds. The constant barrage of comets, along with volcanic outgassing, gradually enriched the Earth's atmosphere with water vapor. Over millions of years, Earth began to cool. The constant bombardment from space slowed down. The planet radiated heat into space. As Earth cooled, the water vapor in the atmosphere condensed. This marked a pivotal moment in Earth's history. The cooling of Earth also led to the formation of a solid crust. This crust was constantly reshaped by volcanic activity. Beneath the surface, molten rock continued to churn. This churning generated a magnetic field around the planet. This magnetic field acts as a shield, protecting Earth from harmful solar radiation. With the formation of a solid crust, Earth's geological processes began to take shape. The planet's surface was no longer a uniform sea of molten rock. Instead, it started to differentiate into different layers, setting the stage for the formation of continents and oceans. The presence of liquid water and a protective magnetic field were crucial steps towards making Earth habitable. They set the stage for the next dramatic chapter in Earth's story, the first rain. As Earth continued to cool, the condensed water vapor in the atmosphere formed clouds. These weren't the fluffy white clouds we see today. They were dark and heavy, filled with the potential for a downpour unlike any other. And then it began. The first rain on Earth was unlike any we experience today. It was a relentless torrential downpour. The rain lasted for millions of years. This deluge had a profound effect on the planet's surface. The rain hammered the rocky surface, carving canyons and valleys. Water collected in the lowlands, forming the first oceans. This marked a turning point in Earth's history. The planet was no longer a dry, barren world. It was now a world shaped by water. The relentless rain sculpted the planet's surface, creating the first sedimentary rocks. These rocks hold clues to the early Earth's environment and the power of the first rain. They serve as a testament to the transformative power of water, a force that continues to shape our planet today. The relentless rain did more than just shape the land, it created the conditions necessary for life to emerge. Water is a universal solvent. It dissolved minerals from the rocks, creating a rich chemical soup. This primordial soup became the breeding ground for life. Simple organic molecules, the building blocks of life, began to form. Over millions of years, these structures evolved into the first living organisms. The emergence of life from non-living matter remains one of science's profound mysteries. The first life forms were simple, single-celled organisms. They thrived in the warm, nutrient-rich oceans. These early organisms were prokaryotes. They lacked a nucleus and other complex cellular structures, yet they were remarkably successful. Over time, these simple life forms evolved and diversified. They developed new ways to obtain energy. Some organisms developed photosynthesis. This process uses sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into energy. Photosynthesis released oxygen into the atmosphere. This release of oxygen was a significant event. It paved the way for the evolution of more complex life forms that rely on oxygen to survive. The oceans became teeming with life, a testament to the power of evolution and the importance of the first rain. The evolution of early life forms transformed the planet. The emergence of photosynthesis fundamentally changed the composition of Earth's atmosphere, paving the way for the evolution of oxygen-breathing organisms like ourselves. It highlights the interconnectedness of life and the planet. The first rain had a profound impact on Earth's geology. The constant downpour eroded the rocky surface, carrying sediments into the newly formed oceans. This process, known as erosion and sedimentation, shaped mountains, valleys, and plains. The weight of the water in the oceans put pressure on the Earth's crust. This pressure, combined with heat from the planet's interior, created movements in the crust. These movements led to the formation of volcanoes, earthquakes, and mountain ranges. The first rain set in motion dynamic geological processes that continue to shape our planet today. It highlights the constant interplay between Earth's hydrosphere, lithosphere, and atmosphere. The first rain wasn't merely an event, it was the beginning of an ongoing process. The rain also played a crucial role in the formation of Earth's water cycle. This cycle, driven by solar energy, continuously circulates water between the oceans, atmosphere, and land, influencing weather patterns, climate, and the distribution of life. Over billions of years, Earth transformed from a barren planet to a lush, life-filled world. The first rain played a pivotal role in this transformation. It led to the formation of oceans, continents, and a diverse biosphere. Earth's journey from a fiery rock to a vibrant planet shows natural processes' power. The first rain taught us that even the most cataclysmic events can lead to profound change and the emergence of new possibilities. This was a small dive and epic journey of our Earth. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell